Right, welcome back. I'm back at the Royal Hospital demolition, going on behind me, and not more to say. Enjoy the footage. See you in a minute. So that is chomping quite a bit away now. Very windy, we've got to keep a tight hold of this tripod. Any shake and I apologise, but should get some good shots here. Bring the zoom out a touch and let you see the bigger picture. So that's what we're dealing with right now. Oh, let's just tighten again. Not that tight. But there we go. Nice. Doing a great job up there, that. It's only here 2 days going, loads has come down that centre section there. It really has. The yellow one's up on the right, off to the right hand side, but it's not doing it at the moment. So this is where all the action is at the moment. I'm glad to be getting a close up of this. P900 doing a fine job again. Biting right into that, that'll come crashing down him, and then it's got to scrape all the stuff off under it then. I'll show you that in a minute though. Want to stay on these two stanchions, getting bit into. Can't believe it, it's been chewed from both sides, hasn't it? Just completely gone. I wish I'd done this earlier, you know. Wish I'd done this from the start now. Saying that, I've probably got bored by now. Very windy, very cold as well. Really bringing a lot down there. I just want them two to come crashing down. Be a great shot. Oh, there goes one there. Oh, look at that. Wrong side. Damn. That'd been a great shot from the other side, that. Adjust this camera to touch. There we go. Right, the yellow one started off to my right hand side, so I'll stick with this one for now. Because I'll have to totally change position to get the yellow one, that's all. Just knock it over, go ahead. Brilliant, that, look at that. Trying to knock it down. Ah, the bus has got in the way while it tumbles. Yeah, gone. Thanks, bus. Fucking dickhead. So that other pillar's gone, and the bus couldn't time that any worse. Right, so bear with me while I go and change position. I'll see you in a minute. So we're on the other side now. It's dragging stuff off. I should have really stayed around that side for now, I think. But you know what? Just see what we get. It's pulling everything out the inside there. So we should get a good view of everything from here. Let's make sure we are on it. There we go. All that's just wrecking the gaff there, isn't he? Shame you can't see in to see exactly what's getting dragged out of there. Look at that. Stuff just falling out, gutters and everything. Look at all that. Yeah, definitely picked the right side here. You've got to take a chance on these things sometimes. Ready to go, do you reckon? So well there. Nice. There's Jurassic Park chopping away again. Go on, Rex. Because I've got the P900 now, I can really focus, you know, on one specific area. The yellow one is working round to my left hand side, but you can't really see it. You can only see it's called the jib, is it? I'd have to completely go around the other side to see it. This is where all the action is. Ever since we've been doing this, the orange one's been doing the most work. Look at it wobbling now. Drag it off. But this. Just give you some idea of the scale here, look. Right, we've got a collapse up there. That's going to go, that other one's going to go any second because that's just wobbling and taking away to the other one as well, which won't help. Well, it will help it collapse. Keep chomping. Well, push it off. Push it off. Give me the money shot. Doing a great job, isn't he? There it goes. The dart, brains. Top job. I just took the arm down a second. Give itself a break. Right, what you can't see from here is it's chomping from the other side. But down this left hand side here where the old meets the untouched, if you like. So where the rubble building meets the untouched building. It's working there, so it's detaching it. It's detaching from the untouched building at the moment. Just being a big collapse just there, and I missed it. But see if we can get any more. So it is working away around there. I can see it. I can just see it there, poking up and down. You see dust this side, you see. Yeah, look. Just pull the zoom out a touch. There we go. What I think it's doing, I think it's pulling all the rubble onto the ground from that side. Right, so I've just missed a partial collapse there. It would have been good to get on camera. But you know, I'm trying to save my memory card, trying to save my batteries. So I'm doing what I can here. It's hard. But while I was here, Andy came over and said hello to me. His girlfriend's in hospital, Michelle. So Michelle, get well soon. And Andy, thanks for coming over and having a chat. Really appreciate it. You know, kind words that you said. Thanks. Right, so that took a while to come back out, so I'm going to leave it now. Go in and go back into my mum, see her, and then I'll probably get off after that. But yeah, hope you like the footage. I'll be back again tomorrow. What time are we on now? It'll be 12ish, 1ish, maybe 20 to 1. So I'll come back earlier tomorrow, and I'll get as much as I can tomorrow. Try and get a big load coming down tomorrow. See, because all that, where am I there, all that middle section there is going to be gone, innit? Leaving the tower on its own then, and they'll pull the rest of that down. So yeah, just see how it gets on. If you like it, please subscribe, it means a lot to me. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and give us a thumbs up. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.